This next act, this is very sad having to describe my own act from like an annex, but this is what we're doing. This next act, are there any fans of Schitt's Creek in the house? Yeah! I'm so glad to hear that because this makes little sense otherwise. If you've never seen Schitt's Creek, you're missing out and you're probably going to miss out for the next, 6 minutes 20. But with that night, please welcome back to the stage, Lacy Ray.
In the lee of a picturesque ridge lies a small, unpretentious winery. Hi, I'm Moira Rose, and if you love fruit wine as much as I do, then you'll appreciate the craftsmanship and quality of a local vintner, and the dazzling peach crowd bat pull to his Riesling Rioja. Come taste the difference good fruit can make in your wine. You'll remember the experience, and you'll remember the name, Herb Ervlinger, Bert Hermkeif, Irv Hermlinger, Bing Livehanger, Liveling, Bert Herkern, Bingo Lingfucker.
All day long, right, bitty, bitty fun. If I were a wealthy girl,
David, stop acting like a disgruntled pelican.
I wouldn't have to work hard.
Cat goes the money, but he's a over the fun. That's a
If I were bitty, bitty rich,
pick up a hammer and nail this coffin shut.
I'd have a big tall house with rooms by the dozens, right in the middle of the town.
The town where I currently am.
Pine chimneys with a real wooden floor below. I can see it all now.
Gossip is the devil's telephone. Best you just hang up. David, I have an urgent campaign-related question. I am approachable.
Is that a question?
Yes, the question is, I am approachable. So 5, 6, 7, 8, Patty. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I fill my yards with chicks and turkeys and geese and ducks for the town to see and hear, squawking just as noisily as they can, and each loud.
Our lives are like little baby crows, carried upon a curious wind. And all we can wish is that that wind will eventually place us on solid ground. And I believe it's done just that for my family, here, in this little town, in the middle of nowhere.
Must be a solar eclipse.
That's not an eclipse, Nathaniel. Those are birds! What have we done?
The crows have eyes, and you
Stace, my girls.
What girls?
My girls.
What?
Gloria, second from the left.
Okay.
If she takes on smoke, she'll never recover.
The birds tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence.
Sign the fucking contract.
The bird, that's what she cries. Long for them, her birds fill the sky.
Danny, boy, the pipes are calling.
My dear murder, soon we will once more walk amongst the humans. But until that day comes, we must remember the crows don't just have eyes, they also have wings.
Insects folded in. So why wait? Book your vacation now to this humble little oasis. If heaven had a creek, it would be this one.
Wow, what an amazing reception! You can check me out on any website beginning with the letters IFBD. So guys, welcome back to the show. I can't continue that all night. I mean, could I? Yeah! Could I? So, we have had are we all enjoying ourselves? Fabulous. For those of you who are just here, we are Takeover Tuesdays. We are Queens and Cabaret Variety every Tuesday with different hosts. I'm needing to make sure I get these terms and conditions because they'll never have me back. Anyway.